Let your imagination run wild. Creative front yard hcaping ideas to try. Are tired of the same old front yard landscaping? It's time to let imagination run wild and transform your outdoor space into something extraordinary. This article will provide you with a plethora of creative front yard hardscaping ideas that will give your home a stunning makeover. From unique designs to captivating outdoor decor, get ready to enhance the curb appeal of your house and create a remarkable outdoor living experience. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into some garden inspiration. Revamp with rock gardens. Add an element of natural beauty and low-maintenance appeal with a rock garden in your front yard. Combine various sizes and shapes of rocks with carefully placed plants to create a visually appealing landscape. This creative design not only adds a unique touch, but also offers a smart solution for areas with poor soil quality or drainage issues. Pavers and pathways. Upgrade your front yard with a charming pathway using pavers. Experiment with different patterns and materials to bring out the desired aesthetic appeal. Whether it's a straight path leading to your door or a curving route that adds a sense of enchantment, pavers can make a significant difference in transforming the overall look of your front yard. Vertical gardens for greenery. Make the most of limited space by incorporating vertical gardens in your front yard. Utilize trellises, hanging baskets, or living walls to grow an array of colorful flowers, vibrant vines, or even herbs. Not only does this creative hardscaping idea add visual interest, but it also maximizes your garden area while bringing nature closer to you. Unique water features. Enhance the tranquility and serenity of your front yard by adding a unique water feature. From ornate fountains to cascading waterfalls, there are endless options to choose from. The soothing sound of flowing water will create a relaxing ambience, while the visual appeal will captivate anyone who passes by. Let your creativity flow and select a water feature that complements your overall outdoor decor. Captivating lighting solutions. Illuminate your front yard and highlight its unique features with creative lighting solutions. Incorporate pathway lights to guide visitors, accent lights to highlight architectural elements, and well-placed spotlights to showcase your favorite plants or hardscapes. The right lighting choices can give your front yard a magical ambience, adding a touch of charm to your home's overall appeal. With these creative front yard hardscaping ideas, you have the power to transform your outdoor space into a stunning masterpiece. From the enchanting beauty of rock gardens to the serenity of water features, let your imagination run wild and create a front yard that reflects your personality. Incorporate unique designs, experiment with different materials, and don't forget to add the perfect outdoor decor to complete the look. So, get ready to embark on a garden makeover journey and elevate your outdoor living experience to new heights of creativity and beauty. Are you tired of seeing the same old front yard whenever you come home? It's time to revamp your outdoor space and let your imagination run wild with some creative front yard hardscaping ideas. A front yard makeover not only enhances the appeal of your home, but also creates a welcoming atmosphere for your guests. So, buckle up and get ready for some amazing renovation ideas that will transform your front yard into a stunning outdoor haven. Embrace the power of stone. One of the easiest ways to elevate your front yard's appearance is by incorporating stone into your hardscaping design. Use natural stone pavers to create a charming pathway leading to your main entrance. A stone retaining wall can add depth and character to your front yard. Don't forget to mix it up with different shapes and sizes to create visual interest. Play with water features. Add a touch of tranquility to your front yard by incorporating water features into your hardscaping design. Consider installing a small fountain or a pond surrounded by stones on lush greenery. The sound of trickling water will create a soothing ambience while adding a focal point to your outdoor space. Bring life with outdoor decor. Spruce up your front yard with tastefully selected outdoor decor items. Hang colorful wind chimes near your entrance or place eye-catching pottery and sculptures strategically around your garden. These small touches will infuse your front yard with personality and create a visually appealing space. Make use of vertical space. When dealing with limited front yard space, it's essential to maximize every inch available. vertically and install trellises or climbing frames to create a vertical garden. Plant vibrant climbing flowers like morning glories or clematis to add a burst of color and create a stunning backdrop for your front yard. Create an outdoor living area. Transform your front yard into an extension of your home by creating an outdoor living area. Arrange cozy seating options like benches, lounge chairs, or a small patio set. Complete the setup with some comfortable cushions and throws. This will provide a perfect spot for you to relax and enjoy the fresh air in your very own front yard oasis. Now that you are armed with some creative front yard hardscaping ideas, it's time to unleash your inner designer and give your outdoor space the makeover it deserves. Whether you choose to incorporate natural stone, water features, or embrace outdoor decor, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create a front yard that reflects your style and personality. Get ready to be the envy of the neighborhood with your beautifully renovated front yard and start enjoying the beauty of outdoor living. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to get started on your front yard garden inspiration.